here is how you can turn on a Gemini on the Android. Let me explain it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So there are two ways you can approach this. First of all, we have the digital assistant, virtual assistant on our phones, right? So whenever you are, for example, on the home screen, you can hold it down on the home button and it should pull up the digital assistant, right? So to manage this, just get inside your settings, tap on the apps right here and choose the default apps. And in here, you can see we have plenty of different things, but digital assistant app should be one of them. And you can see in my case, it can be set to none, Google, or even more. But the best way would be, in our case, to enable the Google one, because this means that you are using the Google search and, the Google virtual assistant. So now when I hold down on the middle button like this, it tells me that it is using the Gemini and it is my AI assistant. Right, so that's the thing which I have to have enabled, and that's how I actually turn on a Gemini on my Android phone. So whenever I'm doing something, I can just hold down on this like home button and ask any questions or anything I really need, right? So that is the whole point behind it. Obviously, you can get a dedicated Gemini app from the Play Store, which is nice because it stores your chats, and you can also like type chat and communicate with it. But if you mean in terms of the virtual assistant, then this is the best way to approach this. So I hope that I was able to explain it and show you how it works. If you are first time on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tutorials and useful videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.